YouTube. I'm doing a tutorial on how to fix your PS3 when it keeps shutting off by itself. As you can see, it's happening to my PS3. Give it a second. See, you get that yellow light and it turns off by itself. Obviously, there's a problem with my PS3, but I found a way to fix it. It's a temporary fix. You're probably gonna have to do this over again a couple times. Okay, I recommend doing this with the disc you don't want. Just gonna push it in, and then you're just gonna keep pushing it in there, but don't let it go in. You're gonna have to do it a couple times to get it. See, now it's on. Look at that. Just fixed it. It's not turning off by itself. It takes a couple tries, but eventually you get it. And once you turn it off, you could turn it back on. It's still gonna work. But like, if you don't use it for a while, you're gonna have to do this again. So there you go. That's your video.